Okay, I have this chicken flavored fettuccine and savory chicken flavored sauce right here. Right here, we're gonna go ahead and put this in. Okay, I love it. It has all those seasonings already in. Okay, next we're gonna add about a cup or so of chicken. This, oops, yeah, let me show y'all this chicken broth right here. It doesn't have to be reduced sodium. We're just gonna go ahead and get all that in there like that, okay? All right. Next, we're gonna go ahead and add some shredded chicken right here. You could use a rotisserie chicken if you wanted to. I've just baked up a whole bunch of chicken right here, and usually I just keep it on hand for quick meals, so it's just ready to go in the refrigerator. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. We'll just go ahead and add all that in. Look at that. Okay, this is some bacon. Yum. All right, we're gonna sprinkle some bacon on top. All right, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cut up some peppers here. These are just some like bell peppers. So we're gonna cut those up here. And yes, these scissors are washed and clean. So they are super sanitized. Okay, that looks very, very good, just like that. Okay, so next we're gonna go ahead and add sprinkle some onion powder on top. Okay, and then we're gonna add about a cup of cheese right on top of this, just like that, y'all. Oh, it's smelling good. Then we'll cook it in the oven for about 30 minutes at 350 degrees. Now we're not done yet. We got a couple more things to add. All right, so I just pulled this out. Let's see how this is looking. Whoa, that smells good. Okay, now we're gonna add about a cup full of mozzarella cheese right on top. Actually, let's go ahead and give that a little bit more because you know I love cheese, y'all. All right, so we're gonna pop this back in the oven for about a couple more minutes just until the cheese melts all in. Woo, this is looking good, man. We had all those noodles in there and that chicken. We've got peppers in here, y'all. This is looking so good. Oh, I can't wait to taste it. Oh, yeah. Man. Oh, man. We got that mozzarella cheese on top. All right, let's taste this.